So here are the items that I've found while I've been cleaning up. A couple of JVC 6x9 speakers, an old speaker out of one of my cars, and then I've got a little just basic Bluetooth head unit. It's cost about $30 off Trade Me. And then I've also got this which turns 240 volts to 12 volts just so I can power it straight off the mains. And then these two bits of wood that we found that I'll be able to make the box with. So now onto the wiring phase. So this bottom plug here, the red wire is permanent, the yellow wire is ignition, the black is earth, and the blue is for an aerial which we won't be using. All of these wires up in here should be 2 of each colour, but one will have a stripe on. So this is for one speaker. The 2 whites are for another speaker. 2 greens for another speaker. And the 2 greys for another speaker. Thanks for watching everyone. It's just a quick video just to show you how I threw this together. On the next episode we'll be making a track down at the batch, and I'll be bringing you new videos from us racing and building that track. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.